Hey you guys, so today I'm gonna be doing another pool vlog, and I have my natural hair all out. Like, you see the curls popping? I don't know what that is. It's probably from the little like soap. I had to comb my hair out a little bit just because I didn't want it to be too matted when I come out the water. But I didn't jump in the pool yet, but I'm going to. But look at the afro and the curls. But I thought I would come out here to just probably like film. There's like 3 people at the pool, including me is 4. I don't know what is going on with my hair. What is this? But yeah, so I think I'll probably do like a little vlog or a Q&A or something, just for you guys to get to know me. So really, this is the thing. So I kind of want to do like more YouTube videos, but I just don't know how to really like push myself out there. But yeah, I'm all natural today. That's crazy. But let me start off. I guess I'm 27. I have no kids. I live in Florida. How I say, my ethnicity, or nationality, whatever you want to say, is like Jamaican American. Both of my parents and step parents are from Jamaica, but I was born in Florida, USA, born and raised. And yeah, the last time I went to Jamaica was like probably like 14 years old. I want to say like 14, 15, around there. Yeah, I want to say that. And my mom said like ever since I was younger, like I've always been to Jamaica, but the only time I really remember was when I was like 14 or whatever. So sorry, I'm squinting my eyes, guys. I can't really see. But yeah, like, I really want to start vlogging more. I guess the only way to really push yourself to be consistent on YouTube is to really like film it. It looks like everyone's just like filming. I really don't want to invest in a camera because I already have like a phone that's worth $1,000, but I didn't pay $1,000 to get this phone, so it's like I'm putting the investment on the phone, like paying it off every month. So I kind of like YouTube is telling me like I need to get 500 subs in order to be monetized, and I'm trying to be monetized, and it's just so hard posting and you're not really getting the views. I mean, I don't really care about views, but I know that's how like, you know, people are, you know, vlogging and making money and stuff like that. But yes, money is important for me because I do need the money. I do need like my own space, my own apartment and everything at my age. But I'm a love person. Like, I'm all about love. Like, I don't want everything to be based on money and like my content and everything. And like, my love life is not there. I mean, I would talk to people, but it's not like serious or anything. Like, I don't know, I'm kind of just chilling and just like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like depression is really what I'm going through, and I don't know, I'm kind of just stuck in an era where like I am by myself. I don't talk to anyone. I have no friends. Maybe sometimes the environment is not really the environment probably that's healthy, but I don't know. I'm just, you know, trying to live out here. The problem is just being stuck in the house. Like, I need to get out more is the problem, to like get away from your problems and everything. But yeah, like, I'm just, oh, okay, the people left. But yeah, like, oh, I have the jacuzzi by myself, guys. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, like, I think I might take a swim in this water, but I don't know if I'm gonna have you guys. Maybe I should try to film and put like the phone by the chair. Maybe I might do that. But yeah, like, I'm 27, no kids. You know, it's like I don't really have anybody to be around me 24/7 to know about like my problems, and I really want this to be a positive video. I don't want it to be negative, because like I'm trying to like get out of that zone. Like I feel like, honestly, what I realized is that when you go outside, not to say your problems are going away, but when you go outside, it kind of does make a difference being stuck in the house versus like thinking about your problems and like being like sad all day. But yeah, like I don't know. But yeah, ethnicity that I'm mistaken for is people think I'm like Afro Dominican or what is it, like some type of like Spanish country, or what is it, they asked me if I'm like Dominican or if I'm like mixed with Puerto Rican, something like that. But my parents are from Jamaica. I just have like in the past, like I had like Hispanic friends, and I do listen to like Hispanic music sometimes, and yeah, like I don't know. Everyone says I sound like I'm from the Spanish country, but I don't know. This is just how I talk, like with my speech therapy. Like, I don't know. I guess they think that I'm probably like from Haiti. Everyone always asks me if I'm from Haiti. I'm like, no. They're like, me, do you speak Creole? I'm like, no. But yeah, I think it's cool that people kind of ask me if like I'm from other than USA, because it's like, it makes me kind of feel like, oh, okay, like you guys think like I'm from other places. Like, yeah, I think that's kind of cool though. But look at my hair blowing in the wind. Yeah, but you guys are getting all bare-faced natural Jada, and I don't know, I'm just kind of just talking to myself, trying to not think about things that are bothering me. For one, I need a job because all the jobs I had were seasonal and they're letting people go. And yes, having a job is the main thing because you have to buy things for yourself. If you want to do things for fun, you have to pay like fun. Twisted. You have to like pay people in order to have fun, like fun places, buying clothes, makeup, things like that, just to like look cute. And I'm not gonna lie, you guys do see the natural part of me, but like I haven't dressed up in so long and looked cute in so long. But yeah, and I feel like I should be vlogging. I don't even have my selfie stick on me, so I'm literally holding my phone and talking to you guys at the same time. But I don't know how long this vlog might be, but I left my, what is it called? I don't know how to say it. Like my phone stand. Yeah, my phone stand at the house, so I could just place my phone on there and have you guys see me jump in the pool. But I might just probably film and like bring the chair close up to the pool. That way that way you guys can kind of see me like jump in the water and have fun and stuff. So I'll just record and then I'll probably edit some footages out. But look at my hair. Oh my goodness, all natural. But yeah, so I'm gonna hop in the water and I might show you guys. I'm trying to think what else you don't really know about me. I kind of said this before, like at first I could be shy, I'm sheltered, like I but I do want friends. And I feel like on the apps no one's really serious or whatever, but I don't know, like I need to change that. Probably like go out and meet people. I guess that's how people get to know people, but at the same time I'm kind of scared to do that because it's like you don't really know people. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of weird, but I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't know, I feel like I want to go to the Caribbean, but in order for me to go, it's like I need flowing money. Like I need to be able to explore and show like the parts of me that's like, I'm the type of person, I like peace, I like happiness and God. And what else? um I kind of don't want to be focused on a beauty page. I kind of just want to show people like who Jada is. I guess Jada's very goofy. Yeah, that's the thing. I'm very goofy. um I just kind of want to work hard, and I'm just trying to be better at doing that, pushing myself. I have a nail vlog, and I can't post that because it has a lot of copyright music, which is, I should have never played copyright music. So I'm thinking like, if I do repost, I'm thinking like, would it matter if I downloaded my own personal music in order to block that copyright music? I'm not sure, but I have to figure that out. But yeah, I'm trying to make this video kind of long. I'm not really sure. The pool, I'm at the pool by the office, so it's pretty nice. So yeah, I don't know, I might just jump in. Oh, another thing is, I'm a very short petite girl. Like, I'm short, plus size. I kind of want to lose weight, go to the gym, but I used to go to the gym when I was kind of younger, but I never really like was consistent. But I feel like if I go now, I just want to lose like my tummy. And what else? But in order to do that, you have to eat right, you have to buy gym clothes, and a lot of that comes with money and time and patience and cooking. And I'm not really a cooker. Like, I don't, it's so bad. But yes, I know a healthy lifestyle is the best lifestyle, but hey, your girl your girl is I was born in USA, so all I know is to eat fast food. And yeah, but I don't know. Oh, this wind is kind of nice, and it's Florida, and like maybe like 2 or 3 days ago it was like kind of like rainy and windy, but right now it's pretty chilled. It's wonderful. So I'm feeling like I'm gonna just jump in the water. I hear people's dogs barking. Anyways, so yeah, like, I don't know, I might make this vlog a little long because I don't want you guys to get a short video. And yeah, you guys see the natural me. So I'm gonna jump in, and you're gonna be like, oh, look at your hair. But yeah, so I might show you guys in the next clip. And yeah. Guys, it's cold. It's freezo. It's freezo, guys. I don't even know if you guys can see me. Ooh. It's freezo. Guys, it's freezer right now. It's cold in here. Like, look. It's freezing. Yo, I'm gonna try to hurry up and swim. Like last week, I think it was last week, I was very sick. Not very, but like I had like a cold. And yeah, now I'm in the cold water and I'm about to wet my hair. And yeah, like I'm about to swim and I'm about to wet my hair. And you guys might see that. I don't know what is better lighting. Maybe here is better lighting. I don't know. But you guys are gonna see everything. But yeah, this is so fun. Like if I had a significant other in here with me, you know, it'll be fun. But yeah, I'm just vlogging. I've been here since 2018. There's 2 pools here. Oh guys, look. Let me show you guys. I don't know if I can turn the camera. Hold on, I'm gonna show you in the next clip. I don't know if that's the mango tree, but I see some type of fruit. I don't know if it's mangoes, but they don't look ripe yet. But yeah, you guys seen the little tree over there? Yeah, the sun is kissing my skin. And yeah, I'm about to swim more in the water, so I might swim forward to you guys so that way you guys can see me swim. So yeah. Ooh. It's so cold. Okay, all right, I'm gonna show you guys. All right, stay right there. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I'm nervous, guys. The water is freezing. Like, it's freezing. Wish me luck. I'm gonna try my hardest for you guys to actually see me swim like a mermaid, a black mermaid. And yeah, so watch me. And like guys, I'm saying this with confidence because I already know I'm gonna get wet and I'm already gonna know I'm gonna be freezing cold. And you're probably like, what is this girl doing in the water? She know that it was cold before. But yeah, honestly, because I've been stuck in the house doing nothing, so guess what? I figured that I should come out here and swim. And honestly, I'll be out. Like when I do come outside, I be in the pool because I don't go anywhere else. That's like convenient for me. So yeah, I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I'm gonna edit stuff and cut pieces out that don't, really look good. But yeah, watch me swim, guys. Oh my god. Yo, I'm scared, guys. I don't know if I can do it. I don't know if I can do this without the little floaty. I'm gonna show you guys the floaty. I want to get my hair wet. I want to look cute, not to say I'm not cute, but like I want to show you guys everything. So yeah, I'm gonna try to swim over there. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at my afro hair. Look at my curls. Look. And honestly, my hair can grow more. If I really were to take care of my hair would be more bigger than this, because when I was little, like, my hair is natural. And honestly, because of depression, it makes you not want to comb your hair, do your makeup, get dressed up. And I feel like my hair could really grow if I really take care of it, if I really oil it up. And honestly, it's not easy when you're sad and depressed. And I don't want this channel to be all depressing and stressed out and whatever. But yeah, I don't want that to be the channel. But yeah, my hair, I feel like it would definitely grow if I were to take care of it and like use like the right products for my hair. The problem is like I don't really oil it as I'm supposed to, because I do have like the natural to the ground natural hair. And yeah, like I'm supposed to really be taking care of my kind of hair. And I might have to wash it again because, you know, being in the pool and the chlorine and stuff like that. I think I might show you guys that. Oh shoot, I think my phone got wet. I don't know. But I'm in the pool because I'm bored. And hold on, let me see if I can hop on this thing. Hold on, y'all. Let me see. Hold on, you guys. I don't know if this is good lighting. I feel like I need to move you guys like on that side. I feel like I need to move you guys because that's where the sun is. But hold on, let me see if I can hop on here. Oh my god, this is not working out. It's not working out. It's so hard. Oh my god. It's so hard. Hold on. It's not working. You guys, I'm trying to sit on this thing, but it's not working. It's not working how I want it. And I think I should put you guys in the sun because I don't think you guys can really see me. So hold on. I'm not gonna lie, Florida literally will make you feel like you're in the Caribbean. Like, yeah. I'm gonna have to really edit this video because I don't want my phone to drop in the water. But yeah, guys. Yes. It's natural. But yeah, in the water. Yeah. Woo. Woo. You guys. Oh shoot. Yeah, I'm trying to have fun and I'm literally right here. I'm literally out here by myself. Like, ugh. Guys, there was a lizard, like an iguana. Not a lizard, an iguana. Because the iguanas here in Florida are like big. They look like lizards, but they're really big. And there was like 3 of them out there and I was scared to walk. I mean, I know they weren't gonna attack me, but still, like, But yeah, guys, I should have brought my selfie stick. You see? Woo! I think I'm gonna swim some more. I don't know. Maybe I might put my phone here and show you guys more of me swimming. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay, I think you guys can see me more. Yay! You guys can see me more. Ooh! Stay. That was funny. I think I'm gonna keep that in the vlog. But yeah, you guys can see me. I feel like to swim though, I need to show you guys more. Hold on, hang on. Probably show you like this. Don't want to take on. There we go. There we go. Thumbnail. Doing a thumbnail. Woo! Okay, y'all. So I'm here by myself, swimming like a mermaid, like mermaids do. But I don't know, guys. I don't know what else to talk about. I was thinking about coming out here to color and draw or whatever, but I don't know. I don't feel like I really don't feel like going back in the water. I mean, going back inside the house to get all those stuff. So I think I might just like edit the video while I'm here, and play music after. So yeah, I might just end it here right now, guys. So see you guys in the next video, which is I really want to edit the nail video, but the thing is I think I have to download personal phone, but I think I have to download personal music in order for me to put the video out there. So because it's saying like all the music was copyright, and I'm not. I should know better not to do that, but well, it is what it is. I don't know. Maybe I can probably do like clips of it. That's probably why I don't get copyright. Yeah, maybe I should do clips of the video, but that wouldn't be the detailed video though, because I literally showed detailed video of like doing the nails, doing the toes, and honestly, quite frankly, this is really not bad at all, like how I did it. But yeah. Okay, guys, so I'll see you guys later. Talk to you guys later. Bye.